I'm on a roller coaster somewhere deep in outer space.
Good morning, my friends. I am in Arizona right now. I just left Flagstaff. I got there last night at probably like 10 o'clock, and then I just left. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to see much of Arizona before spring because I'm heading to California for Thanksgiving. I got family out there I'm gonna see, and Thanksgiving is in a couple days for me. So I gotta get there, you know. Unfortunely, everyone won't be able to explore Arizona. Happy holidays to you. I love you so much, you beautiful people, you beautiful person. I will catch you in a second.
I'm on a roller coaster somewhere deep in outer space. I'm with my baby, give me face in different kind of places. I'm feeling heavy, looking hefty in a rocket Chevy. A missionary, vigilante, or a visionary. Friday's the worst day for valets. Keep in mind, gonna be okay, you most ways. Nickel back the gazebo on me.
It is a beautiful day! It is a beautiful day, my friends! It's gorgeous! And I love you! I'm not gonna lie, Arizona is a lot cooler than I thought. Like, it's beautiful, dude. There's so much out here as far as like, okay, I mean, I don't know. But from what I've seen, there was a lot of greenery, which I wasn't expecting. I don't know my trees, but I believe those were cedars. There was a whole bunch of those, and then there's like now a lot of plains and the mountains, you know, dude. And you know, it's just so interesting when you think about mountains. They're just like natural things, and how they're just like, poof, you know, they're just up there, and it's just so cool. It was like they were made like that, like not man-made. They were created, and they were formed, and it was so cool. Anyways, I digress. Excuse me. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to jamming with the windows down. I love you, and I'll catch you in a minute. Got a California burrito. It's bomb diggity. That's cool. Baby boy. Nice.
Okay, so I'm super disappointed because I don't know how I didn't record the main point of the whole video, which was supposed to be me touching the ocean of the West Coast. So I can show me touching the ocean coast to coast, Florida to Cali, but instead it's just me drawing a wiener in the sand that I was going to walk by. So can't believe it.
1 week later.
What's up, my friends? All right, so let me tell you what's going down. I have not touched my camera in like almost a whole week now. So a lot's happened. I've gotten to see a lot of family that I haven't gotten to see in a long time. Cousins, uncle, aunt, I haven't seen in over 6 years. So it was really cool to get to spend time with them and hang out with them. You know, I miss them so much. It's really nice that they, you know, made the time to see me, and I'm glad that it all worked out and I got to see them. And dude, when I was out there, they kind of spoiled me a little bit. I got to try a 30-day dry-aged steak for the first time. That was bomb diggity. My cousin and her boyfriend took me out, and we went bowling, got boba, got soup. Dude, so much cool stuff. They bought me a new pair of shoes and a book, because I've been talking about how I want to be reading more, so they got me a book. And so it was just so sweet. I really appreciated just everything, being able to see them all how I did. And then I went to see some other family in
San Diego.
That was awesome, except the fact that it was so freaking cold, dude. I had a wetsuit on. That was fine. Like, that the bonnet was fine, but my toes and my feet were cold. They were so cold. We walk up to the beach, we got the boards, he's explained to me what's going, like what we going to do. And then the water hits my feet, and dude, as he was talking, I had to like step out of the water because I was like, oh my gosh, I can't, this is icy, this is awful. Because it was like 55 degrees when we got out there, so the water was chilly. Once I got into water, I started swimming, and my feet went numb. It was good. I got to a point where I like got up and stood up on the board a couple times. I even kind of caught a wave, so that was cool. With a little more practice, I bet I can surf a wave, kinda at least. But my tummy started hurting, and yeah, I threw up on the beach, just stomach acid. Grody. So we were near like the Anaheim area, and then now San Diego. I'll be in LA. I'm gonna be bouncing all through California. Fun fact, I was actually born in California, Orange County, Mission Viejo. So at some point, I do want to go to that hospital I was born at and take a picture there. I think it'd be cool to be like, you know, picture of baby Nathan and then picture of me and be like, you know, 21 years later. I think that'd be cool. So anyways, yeah, so that'd be what's going on. I love you. I'll see you soon. Dude, look at these guys. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Something's going down right here. Something's going down. Oh, poor boy. And he got his homies. All his homies be there watching. They're like, what's going on? Mine, 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 mine. Mine, 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 mine. They got the SEALs in the water. The SEAL Team 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. We on a rock, my friends. Oh, let me zoom me out. I got a new necklace. Did I show you that? Look at that. Oh yeah, I showed you that. Shout out to the Celtics. You know what I'm saying? That's into. Oh my gosh, dude. China. That's crazy. That's crazy. Anyways, dude, I kind of just want to sit out here and look at the ocean for a bit. You know what I'm saying, dude? It's just so beautiful. We just gonna be out here. We gonna be chilling. We gonna be looking at the water because it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful out here. Take some time to ponder, because I do a lot of wandering. So you gotta do a lot of pondering. I don't know what I'm saying. I should be yapping. Anyways, I love you, my friends. Oh. Man, you know, I'm seeing all these people walking their dogs, and it makes me miss my Lola bugs so much, dude. And like, don't get me wrong, I like to be alone. I'm cool being alone. And that's something I've been working on this trip, is being able to just chill by myself and all, right? And I'd be lying if I said sometimes it'd be nice if I had someone right beside me to talk to, you know, or just to have with me, right? But I feel like, dude, if I had my dog, I see all these people walking their dogs. I love that. I wish I had my Lola with me right now, dude. My dog, it's my baby girl. And I saw a girl walking a little bit ago with a golden, and I used to have a golden growing up. His name was Cooper. He was the best dog ever. I feel like the cure to loneliness is just a dog.
Yeah, this is C-Night from the Dove Shack. Getting dough, shit out. Kicking it at Kings Park with all the homies. You know what I'm saying? So what you check out my homie Bo to the Rock. I ride with her, I slide with her. Lokes and dogs from the LBC.
Man, oh man, it has been a minute since I've touched my camera. I think the last time I recorded anything was San Diego. I wanted to get on footage of me touching the beach. So now I have officially gone from coast to coast, beach to beach. And this California beach is cold. I'm gonna tell you that much right now. The Pacific coast is chilly. And I thought it was just because it was wintertime. No, I was wrong. That's just how it is out on the west. Totally forgot. It's Chile. That's why everyone got the wetsuits on. I didn't even realize how much a wetsuit makes a difference, but no, those things are crazy. You put it on, and like, yeah, I was a little cold in it. Maybe that's like blubber. I bet you that's what blubber is like for whales. So I've been bouncing around California, visiting family all over the place and seeing everyone, catching up with people, family members I haven't seen in years. It's cool to be able to see them, have conversations with them as an adult, and for them to kind of see me how I've developed, you know, because they haven't seen me in so long. They just saw little itty bitty Nathan, you know. But I just got done in Morro Bay visiting one of my good friends, one of my buddies, Chris, from the gym. I used to work with him. There's a place called The Rock. It's a big old rock. And then there's the ocean. And there's this big walkway, this big path, right? Kind of this big wall of just big rocks, huge rocks, boulders, right? Waves are crashing against it and stuff. I'm like, oh, that's crazy. And it goes out into the ocean, into the water. It's a man-made thing, I don't know. But anyway, so Chris is like, dude, do you want to go out there into the middle on the end? And I was like, okay. And then as we're walking, I'm like, man, it looks like that might sweep us off our feet as the water just crashes onto the boulders. And I tell Chris, I'm like, you know, that looks like it might sweep us away. And he goes, nah, I'll be fine. And I was like, yeah, but I'm smaller than you, bro. So, oh well, you know, and then we keep going. And then as we're going, we get closer, I'm like, okay, this is a lot wider than I thought. We should be good. And I would have recorded it, but my phone was at 2%. So anyway, so we start walking, and there's like we start making across, and there's no really big waves, nothing like that. It's all good. And then all of a sudden, we look to our right, and he's like, oh no. And we see this big wave coming to this rock wall. And I'm like, oh, snap. And then all of a sudden, water hits us, and we're like, oh man. And like before you can even catch your breath after this ice cold water hits you, the wave, the rest of it just crashed onto us. And we're just completely head to toe soaked. Phone, keys in my pocket, oh man, dude. And we're just like completely bamboozled. And I grab his arm, like, dude, do we keep going? And he goes, hell nah. And just turns around and books it. And then I'm like, oh snap. So all of a sudden another wave's coming and we gotta brace ourselves. And at that point I thought he was gone, dude. Because I had a little bit of cover from a big rock, but he was just out in the open. And he looks over and this wave, boom, right in the face, dude. And next thing I know, like, we're both covered in water, can't see anything. It's like a movie, dude. And all of a sudden, I see him, and he's like sitting down, grabbing these rocks, and I grab him, and I'm like, you good? He's like, yeah, we get up. And then my hat falls off, I grab my hat, and we take off, and we're going, dude. And then I got some footage. And the waves that I got on camera were like baby compared to the rest. We got hit probably about like 6-7 times, dude, at like easy. And this was just some of like what I got on the camera. Okay. Ah! Oh, that one was crazy. Okay, we gotta get out of here. Dude, so that was crazy. You know, I really don't understand how I can be going like 10 miles over the speed limit just to be the slowest driver in California.
How can I measure the relaxation, all the fun I'm facing? Why do we do what we do when we do what we do? Hanging out late with no curfew.
What's up, my friends? All right, I have a story time. So, where am I at, you might be asking? I'm at the El Dorado Hills apartment complex where I grew up. Okay, I say grew up. I lived here for about 2 years. But I have very vivid memories of this place, and it's so crazy now that I'm visiting here over a decade later because this is a lot smaller than I thought. That's what she said. Ugh, bummer. Anyways, so yeah, no, now that I'm looking at all the hills, I was like, these hills aren't as steep as I thought. And you know, there was a patio over there that I used to climb up on, and I thought that was like, you know, 10 feet into the air, and it's like not, it's like half the size of that. But back in the day, me and my buddy Aman, we used to walk over here, and then we used to climb the trees, and we used to dangle from the trees right here. But there used to be 3 trees. And yeah, so we would climb it. That was how we did our pastime. Like I said, I've been climbing in trees for a long time. And at one point I got attacked by a German Shepherd here once. So me and my buddy Aman, we're walking to climb the trees right along here, right? And as we're walking along to these trees right here, there's a guy who used to train canines, police canines. And this German Shepherd, he sees us as we're walking across right over here. And we're just like, oh, and then it looks at us and it takes off after us. So we take off running, and we're running down this way. And then like, I birthed the turtle, just, you know, drop down onto my knees, cover my neck and my head and stuff. And then this thing just, it just, but it just digs into me. And then it turns around, runs off, and I get up, Aman helps me up, we're taking off running again. And then I take the corner and he goes a different way, and I get back to my apartment, I'm crying, I'm telling my mom, dog got me. And then my dad gets angry, he storms off. And then yeah, but this used to be my apartment, and this whole patio used to be way higher in the air. Like I could climb that super easy now. Back in the day it was a challenge, and I thought I was super awesome for it. But yeah, so that was the time I got attacked by a German Shepherd. I was like 6'7", but I'm pretty sure I was like 7 years old. Crazy. Anyways, so the amount of times I pick up my camera lately has been very slim, but I still be telling you guys the stories. I'll be keeping you updated. I'll see you soon. Hi. Hello! Good morning, my friends. I'm currently in Reno, Nevada, and it is less than 20 degrees right now, and it is so chilly. This is my first night that I slept in my car. It's cold, so I was in a sleeping bag. Oh man, I'm layered up with all of my blankets, and it wasn't too bad actually. It wasn't too bad, my friends. So I slept in my car in Reno. I got kicked out my first parking lot last night. It was about 11:50. I'm laying here, and all of a sudden I hear a knock at the window, and then I hear security. And I was like, no! And basically he had said that apparently at that Cracker Barrel parking lot that you weren't allowed to sleep there, and because it had to do with like the owner of the building. It was weird. So I went to a hotel and parked in the parking lot, and I'm about to leave, go find a Planet Fitness shower, clean up, or a Walmeasy. But I also got a boop, so I'll go find somewhere to boop and then go about my day. So we're gonna see where these adventures take us now. It's already the end of January, which is crazy. I haven't vlogged much, a whole lot, touched the camera a little bit, but we're gonna see where Reno takes us, and then we're heading to Vegas soon. Cause I'm gonna be living there, bar bagging. You know what I'm saying? Bareback. Ooh, maybe not that one. Maybe not.
Bet you didn't know I could ride geese, did you? Bareback.
We'll see where it takes us. All right, guys, I love you. It is cold, and I'll see you soon.
Hello there, my friends. So I wanted to end this video a little different with a peaceful time lapse of me building this Lego set and telling you what's going to be going down as we move forward. I'm going to be in Vegas where I've been posted up for a minute now, and I got a full-time job so I can save up some money for the travels because money went down faster than expected. But posting up here for a few months should add enough money to continue my travels for quite a bit longer. Videos aren't going to be as frequent in Vegas just because I'm mostly going to be working and spending a lot of time in with some family, but we're also going to be getting some good fun videos in, so stay tuned while we're here. I think I could go for a banana break. You're watching Badlands Chugs. Don't touch that mouse. Gonna introduce some workout content to the page as well, since I'm developing my own training business, and we're gonna get experimental with some content. So I hope you guys enjoy. Love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. All right. Dude, no way I was not recording and be finishing this, but I can't believe that. Oh my gosh. But I have finished. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one, where the Vegas saga shall continue. We're gonna start working out. We're gonna start bowling too. Purple Thunder's better be released. I love you guys. I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day.